In the next episode, the circumstances that love between Erkan and Dekla takes a more emotional turn. Until now, their relationship was fully of misunderstanding, pressure, sacrifice, and hidden pain. Dekla entered to Erkan's world without knowing the real rules of that world. Erkan tried to protect her, but sometimes protection also became a wall between them. Now, after the painful video and all the confusion around it, Erkan has only a one mission. He wants to Dekla to believe him again. Dekla's heart is not too easy to heal. She has seen too much pain. She has been allowed to be used and keep away from truth, but that belongs to her. When she learned that Dara too is alive, her emotion become too heavy for word. This is not to just a family secret. This is one to that has been opened for years. Erkan understand that Dekla need to gentleness, not force. That is why to his attitude becomes important, and he does not only to speak, he does not only to promise, he try to prove the romantic side of the next episode. Look for every powerful because the Dekla and Erkan are not just moving to closer physically, they are moving closely emotionally. Dekla is beginning to see that Erkan's feelings are not game. Erkan is also beginning to understand that love is not only about saving someone from danger. Real love means standing with that person after the danger to when heart is broken and trust is weak. But Batson can still to create trouble. Her action was already caused damage, and if she feels she is losing to Erkan completely, she may become even more dangerous. Furman plan can be also create a fair new insight to mention every has been something to hide and every secret is now close to coming out. The next episode may show as new Dracula, new colorful, new brave, and now more ready to choose happiness. And but happiness will be tasted to Arkan and Dracula. Love will be face another storm, and this time the storm will not to be only come from outside. It will come also to be inside Dracula on heart. The real question is whether love can make her feel safe enough to begin again.